Hi everyone, in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a one-page website for your gym. If you've just stumbled across this video and you're not familiar with the MultiSites service, MultiSites is the easiest way to launch a website. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's designed to make websites fast and simple for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles, and it's really affordable. It's only $9 a month. There is a free trial available, and you don't even need your credit card information to give the free trial a go. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a bash and see how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building our website using the MultiSites platform for our gym. Once you've signed up and put your email address and password in, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. We're adding markets every single week on the MultiSites platform. We've got hundreds to choose from. But perhaps you've stumbled across this video and you don't even have a gym, you have another small business and it's not listed on our website. Feel free to send us a message or comment below and let us know which market we should add. So let's go ahead and search for the gym template and let's see where it is. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that. Now, MultiSites is going to ask me a few basic questions, and once I've put in my details, it's literally going to work its magic and generate a one-page website for me and do all the hard work. So let's go ahead and put in my company name, Rochelle's Gym. I like the sound of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in my city that I've misspelled and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the MultiSites service. So now we're going to go ahead and select the type of business, restaurant, retail, service, or other, and I'm going to go ahead and select service and click on continue. Now MultiSites is literally going to work its magic and create a website for me and do all the hard work. Awesome, look at that. So now I'm going to go ahead and walk you through each section and show you that everything is amendable. We've made the website service super easy for you. We understand running your own gym is stressful. There's a lot of things to worry about, and we want your website to be the last thing that you're stressing about. With MultiSites, we've pre-written all the information for you, pre-selected images that are all completely free to use, no license required. You're not going to get in trouble for using them. But of course, if this information on the website that we've pre-written or the images we've pre-selected doesn't quite work for you, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to amend them. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to update each section just so you can get a bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a website developer. You don't need to hire a website developer. I know that that uses a huge budget, and we've designed the service to make it as easy as possible to launch a one-page website that looks super affordable. That's super affordable, but looks really awesome, really professional. So let's go ahead and walk through each section. I'm going to go ahead first and select the first section at the top. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my email address at and click on show email on site. My email will now be displayed on the top right hand corner of my MultiSites website, and all my potential gym customers can literally click on that and ask me their queries. It will directly take them to their email app or whatever email service that they use. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone number. Again, that will be displayed on the top right hand corner, and that is click to call. So when your customers do click on that, it will give you a call directly. Now let's go ahead and put in our address and our postal code, and that will now be displayed in the top left hand corner of my MultiSites. The great thing about it is my customers and potential customers, they can click on that and it will directly take us to Google Maps to get directions from their location to your business. Really awesome. So let's go ahead and save that. And then let's go ahead and update our social links. So I'm going to go ahead and put in our Instagram. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the MultiSite service is working for you. We appreciate your feedback. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on our Twitter. There are some options for LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook. If there's any social media accounts that we've missed or platforms, feel free to leave a comment below this video and let us know. Perhaps your gym is now active on TikTok. Let us know if we should be adding the TikTok. Give us a thumbs up if you think we should be adding the TikTok social media link option on this part of the website. Awesome. So now our social links will now be displayed in the top right hand corner of our website. Our customers and potential customers can literally click on those social media icons and be taken directly to our social media accounts and give us a follow and engage with us. Great. So let's go ahead and close that section and move on to the next. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on update logo. If you just started your gym and you've just launched it, it's recently open, congratulations. If you don't quite have a logo, that's completely okay. It will display your name over here and it still looks really professional. It doesn't look amateurish at all or unprofessional. It actually looks really great. So if you don't have a logo, you can leave as is. Otherwise, browse from your device and upload it directly here. You can resize it to suit your website to see what looks best. Just play around with the sizing and see what looks good. If you don't have a logo for your business, for your gym business just yet, I do recommend looking at Canva. There are a few free good options there that you can amend their text and their colors and make it work for you. You don't need to have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer. Give the Canva service a go and see how it works for you. Awesome. So let's go ahead and save that section and move on to the next. Okay, so perhaps this blue, I guess you can call it a teal, just doesn't quite work for your website. You can see it's used throughout your one-page websites, but perhaps it just doesn't work for you. That isn't your gym color. Your gym color is another color that you use in your branding. The beauty of multi-sites is you don't need to know coding, you don't need to know color coding, you don't need to literally Google the code number for a specific color. Literally can change the colors in a click of a button. So let's go ahead and click on the paintbrush and choose the different color palettes and have a look and see what works for us. We are adding more color palettes every single week, so let us know if there's a color that perhaps we missed. Perhaps you want a funky bright color that isn't quite here. Let us know and we will add it. So let's go see what else works for us. I'm going to go ahead and select this one because I really like that. It's slightly different, but perhaps that one works. That's really cool too. I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Awesome. So now with Mighty Sites, we've literally pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected the images that are completely royalty free, license free. You don't need to pay for them. You don't need a license to use them, because one thing to take in consideration is you do need to be careful of the images you are using on your website. They do need to have a license or they need to be free to use. So you can be rest assured the images on the website we have selected, they're completely free to use. However, perhaps those images don't quite work for your business. You can go ahead and click on update section and choose a different image here or browse one from your computer. Perhaps you have some professional pictures you took of your gym when you opened. Feel free to upload them here by browsing your device. Otherwise, you can go ahead and search from the photo library and Mighty Sites will pre-search for images for you that are suitable. You can go ahead and change the terms. Maybe something else will work like fitness or exercise. But these are some really great images. They're very professional looking. They're not amateurish and they all are completely free to use. So let's go ahead and select this image over here and save that image and see how that works. That looks really, really awesome. I'm very happy with that. And perhaps this content that's pre-written just doesn't work for you. You can go ahead and change it over here, as well as the button. Perhaps you wanted to say something else like view rates. And then we can go ahead and select different options for our button. You can link to another website or a call to action like click to call or directions or email again. But one of the great features I love is I can upload a PDF file. So perhaps over here I want to upload the facilities of my gym or the rates, the monthly options. We can upload a PDF file, so when our customers do click on the button, it will directly take them to the PDF file, which is really awesome. I'm going to go ahead and save that and close it up. And then on to the next section. Again, this is all mendable. You can change this to show what equipment your company, your gym offers. Perhaps you only have 5 treadmills and not 7 as it was pre-written. So feel free to update that by clicking on this button, and as well as updating the button if that just doesn't quite work for you. Over here, we have a great updates about us section, which again, you can put perhaps how you started your gym journey, why you got into the gym industry, a little bit more background about your gym, and again, the image, you can upload one of your own images or select one from the royalty-free images on the website. Okay, so again, perhaps this one just doesn't work for you because that looks like a gym that does not look like your gym. We can go ahead and search the photo library and choose another option. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Again, really professional, free to use, and this whole service is literally $9 a month. And have a really affordable looking one-page website for literally $9 a month. That looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. And then again, what we offer, all the different things that your gym members can get. Perhaps you do one-on-one personal training or group personal training. Perhaps you have a sauna. Feel free to put it in this services, what we offer section, and amend that picture if need be. Okay, so now we've made it to the last section of our Marty site, our form, how your customers can get in touch with you. So one of the most frequent questions we get asked at Marty Sites is, when a customer or a potential customer fills in this form, how do I know? Where do the messages go? That is a very clever question. When your customers fill in this form and click on send, you will get notified via email. However, let's go ahead and close our website builder and say stop editing, and I'll show you directly where you can find those messages. Let's head over to the site dashboard and we can find all our forms that have been submitted under leads over here. Another really frequent question we get asked is, can I link my custom domain? So of course at Marty Sites, we want you to have a professional looking website, and with a professional website comes a custom domain. And of course you can link your custom domain. We have some great YouTube tutorials on that. We have a blog post over at www.martysites.com. But if you are struggling, feel free to add us as a user or drop us a message and we will assist you. We will do all the hard work for you. We will connect the domain for you, get you started with your one-page website. Awesome. So I hope my video was a great tutorial on how to start a website on the Marty Sites platform, launch your one-page website for your gym. I really wish you and your gym Marty success. And if you have any suggestions, any queries about the Marty Sites service, any improvements you want us to make, feel free to leave us a comment or drop us a social media message. We'd love to hear your feedback.